Today we have an iPhone XR. The phone is restarting automatically. So we will change the NAND. Let's go into deep dive after the intro. Remove the motherboard from the phone body. Set the motherboard to a holder. Now go to microscope view. Removing NAND from the motherboard through a hot air gun. Apply some paste flux on bounding pads. Clean bounding pads with solder wick. Remove residual black adhesive with hot air gun. Apply some paste flux and clean with a solder wick. Put the non-touch BGA 110 programmer. Connect the programmer to the computer through Lightning port. Modify and back up the sysconfig data using JC Repair Assistant. Put the new non-touch BGA 110 programmer. Now rewrite the sysconfig data to the new NAND. Go to microscope view again. Apply some paste flux. Put the NAND to motherboard bounding pad. Apply hot air gun. Assembling motherboard. Assembling display panel. Now the device is performing normally. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.